Right, so I just thought I'd turn my camera back on here. I've always found these places to be particularly cool. These 3D printing, which is just fucking awesome. And I can't get a decent angle on it.
Fascinating, isn't it?
It is.
It's amazing.
At the moment, that's producing another version of those.
Right.
Just for a bit of fun.
How long will that take?
2 hours, 7 minutes and 38 seconds.
So a little bit slower than your standard inkjet printer then? Yeah.
But you get a lot more.
That's true.
Yeah. That's one on that one. Just in front of that fire, I'll tell you when. Yeah, it's coming in America, they printed IR-15 machine. Fired 600 rounds out of it, run out of bullets in the end. Breathing down my one with the program.
They're giving us £100 off because it's the show. £100 off a £3,000 machine.